What's up guys, my name's Alex, and in this video I just want to talk to you guys about Evergreen products, what they are, how you can find them and identify them and sell them on your own stores. So first off, before we jump into this, I just want to read you guys the Google definition of evergreen products. So it says evergreen products are products that have an everlasting appeal. They sell all year long with no peak or off-peak periods. For example, a store that sells toothpaste would always generate returning customers who buy the toothpaste because of the nature of the product. So essentially what they mean by this is a lot of times with dropshipping you see trendy products that sell during a certain time of the year, like Valentine's stores, for example. You see those roses pop up a lot, or certain necklaces and stuff, and those will not sell all year long. They might, but they won't get the volume and the traffic that they would around Valentine's Day. And there's a few markets and niches that fit evergreen products better, like the health and beauty, weight loss, gaming, sports. Those are just a few minor examples, but there's a ton of different industries with evergreen products. So essentially an evergreen product is something that will sell in any given day of the year. So it doesn't matter if it's right now, if it's Christmas time, if it's the middle of the summer, these products will sell consistently all year long and will not become saturated. Now the cool thing with evergreen products is the fact that you can build long-term customers with this. You can create bundles, you can actually create upsells and packages where they actually purchase after the fact. And there's so many different ways of doing this and retaining your current customers. Now you have to be careful with evergreen products as well. I know I mentioned a few different examples of what you could sell. So let's talk about, let's say, the sports example. So with sports, if you're selling football products, that's not necessarily an evergreen product, because during football season they'll most likely sell a lot more, and when it's off season they're not really going to sell as much as people aren't as interested. And I know there's those die-hard football fans, but you guys get the general point. So in order to go around this, if you do want to sell more evergreen products or have an evergreen style store in this aspect, what I would do is just sell a sports store in general. So you'll sell football products during football season, baseball during baseball season, basketball, hockey, and all of the other sports that you guys are interested in selling. Now with evergreen products, you fill your store with those and you create a couple upsells, frequently bought together and stuff like that. But it's all about retaining your customer and building those long-term, lifelong customers for your brand. So why is it so important to identify and sell evergreen products? Well, if you're running a store, you don't want your store to only do good during certain times, right? You don't want to have a Black Friday sale and that's the only time of the year that you make money. You want to have your store set up to consistently make money. And I know there's certain stores that you'll create for trends, like Valentine's stores, Christmas stores and stuff like that. And those are always going to be there. They're always acceptable. They're always okay, and they're going to do great. But there's those evergreen stores where you just want to generally fill your stores up with products that will sell at any given point during the year. Now, how do you identify these products? Well, essentially you really want to follow the search trends on Google. So if they peak during a certain time of the year, like if you're looking at your winning product and it peaks during Christmas time or Black Friday or whatever, and no other point during the year, well then it's probably not an evergreen product, unless it's an evergreen product and for some reason has increased demand during that time for whatever reason. But generally, you want to look at the Google search trends. You want to make sure that it's consistently searched for every day of the year. You also want to look at the order trends from whatever you're selling, your suppliers on AliExpress, Alibaba, or whatever. You also want to make sure that it consistently sells throughout the whole year. Now, there's also a wide variety of ad spy tools that you guys can use, spy on certain ads during stores and see what they're selling during times or what they've been successful doing so. But that's just the general basic idea of evergreen products. Now, I'll make a video in the next few days talking about how to actually find evergreen products and add them to your store and the actual criteria with them. But in this video, I just wanted to go over the basic idea of what they are and why they're important. So I hope you guys have a basic understanding of what evergreen products are. And like I said, we'll meet back together in the next few days and actually talk about how to find them and add them to your stores. So if you got anything out of this video, go ahead and drop a like to help me out and subscribe, as there's plenty more to follow. I have 2 ecom resources linked in the description below. You're welcome to check out either one of those, the first being a free Facebook group that you guys are welcome to join, and the second one's an Instagram page with tons of useful content and resources on there. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.